navigating business expenses can feel like a full-time job. Reimbursing employees, tracking receipts, and making sure everything aligns with the budget. It's a lot. And that's where a platform like Expensify comes in. But for a business, the big question is always, what does it actually cost? Expensify structures its pricing with businesses in mind, offering two main paid plans, Collect and Control. The price you pay is based on the number of active users you have each month. An active user is simply someone who submits, approves, or is included in a report within a given month. First, let's talk about the Collect plan. This plan is designed for small teams and businesses. The cost is straightforward, $5 per active user, per month. This plan gives you the essentials, things like unlimited receipt scanning, automated payments, expense and travel approvals, and integrations with popular accounting software like QuickBooks Online and Xero. It's a solid, budget-friendly option for getting your team's expense management under control. Now, for larger companies, there's the Control plan. This plan starts at $9 per active user, per month. The price can be customized based on your specific needs. The Control plan includes everything in the Collect plan and adds more advanced features. This includes more complex approval workflows, custom expense rules, and integrations with enterprise-level systems like NetSuite and Sage Intacct. This is for businesses that need more granular control and in-depth reporting. There's also a significant way to save money on both of these plans, the Expensify card. If your business uses the Expensify card for at least 50% of its US-based spending in a month, you can get a 50% discount on your subscription. That would drop the Collect plan to just $2.50 per user per month and the Control plan to as low as $4.50 per user. The card itself has no annual fees and offers cash back on purchases, which is a nice bonus. So, when you're considering Expensify for your business, you're not just looking at a flat fee. You're looking at a flexible, per-user cost that scales with your team's activity. The pricing is designed to be transparent and, with the Expensify card, offers a clear path to significant savings. It's a system that rewards you for centralizing your spending, making it not just a cost, but a potential way to save money and gain financial clarity.